Hello everyone, this is GT Tech here with a quick tutorial on how to fix slow startups on Windows 11. This is also applicable to Windows 10, Windows 8, 8.1 and Windows 7. So basically you just have to open your task manager. To do this you right click on your taskbar and select task manager. And here after it opens up, so you have to head over to the startup tab, and here you'll see the list of startup apps that are enabled. So what happens is these apps usually load up before you can do anything on your computer. They have to first start up and open up, which can affect performance or startup and boot times on your computers. So to fix this, you have to disable unwanted apps, and how you can do this is by right clicking on the apps and disable them. So you just have to disable what's not needed. I'll leave phone link enabled because I use that one, and rain meter is required. I use that one. And if you don't have other apps like rain meter and phone link, that if you have them and you don't want them to be running when Windows loads up, you can just disable them. But for security, health, system tray, I would suggest and even advise that you leave this enabled. So yes, after disabling everything, you can just go ahead and restart your computer and everything will be okay. Then alternatively, if you still have slow startups on your Windows computer, then it could be because of system corruptions, like system files are getting corrupt here and there, or maybe you're running on a hard drive. But I would suggest that you get an SSD and at least 8 GB of RAM going up, and just have a good CPU. My CPU isn't that good, but I'm working with it, and just have an SSD. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe.